It won't stop. And it won't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just decided to film a little video because I got inspired. But if you hear like noise in the background, it's because my nephew's in the background and he's watching his little YouTube videos. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more heat. Okay, so I want to do like the feathered eyebrow look today, and I seen that you could use Got2b to do it, so I'm gonna try that right now. I broke my brush, so now I just have the top, so I'm just gonna use this. I would say this works because it look good right now. While my eyebrows is drying, I'll just move on to my eyes. I never do this, but I'm just gonna do that today. Okay, now I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo eye pencil in milk. I'm gonna prime my eyelid. I almost forgot. I'm gonna put tape on my eyes.
Is that tape?
Yeah.
I want tape.
You don't need tape. I'm gonna bring this all the way up because this look is about to be dramatic. Now we're gonna set it with some translucent powder. Now we're gonna take this new palette I just bought. Let's see how good it is. I'm gonna use New Yorker in here, and I'm gonna put that all on my crease.
Eyes, two, okay? Guys, two. Wait, set, go.
Okay, now we're gonna go on with the Jaclynhill palette, and we're gonna take Roxanne.
What's Tim?
This one right here. We're just gonna put it on the outer corner of our eyes. We're just gonna target it there and bring it up some. Okay, now we're gonna take like a bigger fluffy brush. I'm just gonna blend out those edges. Keep building up till you get the coverage that you like. I'm just gonna cut my crease like a tiny bit. I'm gonna use Tarte. I kind of cut my crease, but I brought it up OD high. Now I'm gonna take the white chocolate in the chocolate bar palette by Too Faced. I'm gonna put that all on my lid. Okay, I'm gonna take the Morphe 35P palette because I want like a peachy color. So I'm gonna use this one right here, I suppose, and like blend out. I don't even know what I'm doing, bro, to be honest. I'm just gonna put this right here for a little extra blend, a little extra something. I'm gonna like blend out the edges of this because I don't want it to be too sharp. Okay, now we're gonna take Jaclynhill palette in chip. I'm gonna put that right in the outer corners and drag like the bottom towards the center. Yeah, I don't know how this look about to turn out. I'm taking a big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna blend out these edges. I'm taking this. I'm just gonna go on back in with like a little bit of white chocolate. I like how this is turning out. I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the black color, and I'm gonna take this little behind angle brush, and I'm just gonna like make a little black wing right here. So this don't have to be perfect because I'm just gonna smoke it out anyway. I wish I had some different eyeliner though, because this is trash. I don't really like this too much. So now I'm gonna take the Ambreezy, if that's how you say it, palette. I'm just gonna go with BK, the black, or any black you got, and we're just gonna use like a little tiny behind brush, and we're gonna smoke out that eyeliner we just put. I be struggling trying to like make a smoky liner. Like, that's some next level. I'm gonna put these eyelashes on and I'll be right back. Alright, now we're gonna move to the bottom lash line. We're gonna take the JaclynHill palette and we're gonna use we're gonna use Roxanne. We're gonna use Roxanne. Roxanne. Now we're gonna take black. Okay, now we're gonna do the eyebrows. I'm just gonna take this eyebrow pencil from Wetnwild and just draw little lines. Yo, my eyebrows is hard. Throw some concealer under them jaws. Let me take this tape off now. I'm like, why do I look so wacky? This freaking tape. Now we're gonna move to the face. My eyebrows are done. I like them. I'm gonna take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. We're gonna take our LA Pro Girl color corrector, the Orange John. Now I'm gonna take my Nars foundation. I'm gonna use my Fenty brush because I haven't used it in a minute. And I really like this brush too. I think this brush gives you full coverage too. I'm gonna take my concealer now. This is my LA Pro Girl and my Tarte. Now I'm gonna set my concealer with some translucent powder. Now I'm gonna take my black Radiance Contour palette. I'm gonna bronze my face up. Yeah, I just washed my brushes and they smell so good. Okay, now we're gonna take more of that translucent powder and we're gonna put it under to cut our jaw. Now we're gonna take my MAC pressed powder and we're gonna blend out the edges and the translucent powder. Like, look at that blend right there. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Like, look at the difference, how blended out this side is other than this side. Now I'm gonna take contour kit by AmbreezyxABH. I'm gonna contour my nose. Now I'm gonna add beauty marks. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm gonna add my freckles. Okay, I'm gonna use my concealer as a lippy because I don't have like a beige, like tan nude lipstick. So I'm just gonna use my concealer. I look like a crackhead right now. Alright, this is the NYX lip liner in coffee. I'm lying. And espresso. But hey, espresso is coffee. I'm gonna take this lip gloss from, I don't even know. I don't know where I got this from. But it's basically like a nude pink pale-ish lip gloss. Whoa, I forgot to add highlighter. Fenty Beauty. This is the finished look, guys. I love how this came out. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.